Okay, so I got the potatoes from the farm. The irrigation was off for a few days. They're not happy, so we're gonna dig through and see what I can actually find out of these since they died a little early. Let's get the bin out here so we have something to place to throw them. This is my version of a redneck Easter egg hunt. We're gonna push over barrels of dirt and look for buried treasure. Oh, it's actually not bad, especially considering they died off a little early. Oh, there's one.
There's quite a bit in there.
Yeah, that's actually all from one thing. You can see all the little young ones that haven't made it yet. So that's one bin. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the non-tiny ones. That's pretty good. Consider most of these bins, I put in 1, maybe 2 potatoes, and I do not cut them. I put them in whole because they will rot in the humid ground, or humid area, whatever.
How many bins you got?
Brought back 5 today. Alright, that one wasn't so great. But
How many was in that one, 2?
2 or 3. Oh, this one looks good already, look.
Oh yeah, there's a lot.
Oh, wow. Oh, this one did good. And all those baby potatoes are really, really good. I eat all of them. I don't waste those. That's probably the original potato that was planted.
They all came off of one potato?
I usually plant like 1 or 2 in each bin. I can't say for sure. Oh, unless maybe this was 2 planted in here and this one just didn't even really get going. It's just now starting to grow, so I might just replant that little thing.
Awesome, but to reuse it.
I mean, I've never tried it before, but like I'll throw it back in the dirt and see if it goes.
It looks like it's trying to.
I mean, it's getting a bit hot, but
Oh, there's a
I don't
lot of
know what
potatoes
there's a whole
down there. You
handful.
could see them.
let's take out some more. Oh, there's a plant tag got mixed in my dirt. Alright, I think that was about it, but I'm gonna have to move back a little bit. Oh, you can tell this is really dry. Some little tiny babies off the main stem. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks like the original seed potato. It's completely decomposed.
Oh yeah, it is. There's some big ones in there too.
I think the bottom was just a filler. Yep. Alright, so that's 4.
One more to go.
One more pot. Let's see if we can pull up any. Oh, that's the original seed potato that it grew out of.
So if
And you
somebody
can see
wanted to do
it would have been
this,
making a lot more potatoes.
if somebody wanted to do this, what do they do?
I would say just get a seed potato. You can grow them from store-bought potatoes. If you have a potato that sprouts, you can grow it. You're just not going to know what it is. There are, I guess, indeterminate and determinate type of potatoes I'm learning about, and the planting is a little bit different, but if you're just going to plant them in a bin like this and fill them all up at one time, it doesn't really matter. Some of these are actually from store-bought potatoes. If they sprout, anything that sprouts, I'm going to try and grow it. This is the original seed potato here. But I do not cut them. I let them sprout, then I lay them on the dirt. I fill this about a quarter of the way full, and I just lay them on top, water them in, and I cover them with either dry leaves or hay or wood chips, any type of mulch. It doesn't matter. You don't want anything too big and chunky and hard because it could interfere with the potatoes. Because I layer it, I let them grow, and then I'll fill it like to about the 3/4 line with dirt. And then as the plant grows like 6 inches past that, I'll fill it up, and then I'll do that one more time to top it off. And every time mulch it really, really good. And then let them grow, wait for them to die back, and have a redneck Easter egg hunt. Oh, there goes one. So yeah, I guess that was it. So let's see how many we got. There's some of our original plants, but I mean, not bad out of 5 7-gallon planters. And most of these would have kept on growing and been a lot more substantial, but I'm happy with it.
Perfect.